Hello everyone, welcome everyone to the class of probability for the CA Foundation students. Now in this class we'll do set C. Now if you see the question number 1 of the set C, it is like what is the probability that a leap year selected random would contain 53 Sunday? So when we talk about first normal year, okay, so what is normal year? A normal year have 365 days. 365 days means 52 week plus 1 day extra. That one extra can be anything. It can be Sunday, it can be Monday, it can be Tuesday, it can be Wednesday, it can be Thursday, it can be Friday, it can be Saturday, it can be anything. So normal week, when we talk about a year is a normal year. So when we talk about a normal year has 53 week. So when we talk about a normal year has 52 week, and 52 week means 52 Sundays, 52 Mondays, 52 Tuesday, 52 Wednesday, 52 Friday, 52 Saturday. So normal year has 52 week means 52 all the days in normal year has plus 1 day extra. This day which is extra is called as odd day. And this day can be either Sunday or Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday or Friday or Saturday. So what is the probability that this day is a Sunday so that you will get 53 Sundays in a normal year? The probability for this would be 1 by 7. Okay, so then when we talk about a normal year, what is the probability that you have 53 Sunday? The probability is 1 by 7. When we talk about leap year, when you talk about leap year means 366 days. When we talk about leap year means 366 days. Normal year means 365 days. So when you talk about leap year means 366 days. 366 days means 52 week plus 2 days extra. Now, the 2 days which is extra in the case of leap year, the 2 days can be Sunday, Monday, it can be Monday, Tuesday, it can be Tuesday, Wednesday, it can be Wednesday, Thursday, or it can be Thursday, Friday, or it can be Friday, Saturday, or it can be Saturday, Sunday. So, the 2 days which is extra in the case of leap year, the 2 days can be anything. It can be Sunday plus Monday, it can be Monday plus Tuesday. It can be Tuesday plus Wednesday. It can be Wednesday plus Thursday. It can be Thursday plus Friday. It can be Friday plus Saturday. Or it can be Saturday plus Sunday. So what do you want? You want 53 Sundays. For 53 Sundays, what is the favorable case? That the 2 days which is extra, that should be either Saturday, Sunday, or should be Sunday, Monday. And how many cases are there? There are total 7 cases are there. So the probability that a leap year has 53 Sunday, the answer would be 2 by 7. Okay, so you can remember this normal year probability that it has 53 Sundays 1 by 7. For leap year, it is 2 by 7. It's a very common question. It comes in many exams. Then question number 2, in an unbiased coin, if it toss 3 times, the total outcome would be 8. What is the probability of getting more than one head? So whenever you toss a coin 3 times, so either you get zero head or one head or two head or three head. Probability of getting zero head is 1 by 8. Probability of getting one head is 3 by 8. Probability of getting two head is 3 by 8. Probability of getting all the three heads is 1 by 8. So what is the probability that you get more than one head? Means they're asking you about two head or three head. So two head is probability is 3 by 8, and three head probability is 1 by 8. So the total probability that it is more than one head is 3 by 8 plus 1 by 8. It is 4 by 8 or 1 by 2. Question number 2, answer is option C, 1 by 2. Okay, these are simple questions and you can do verbally. You don't need to write it down for getting the answer and all. Okay, so when you talk about a coin which is tossed 3 times, so either you get zero head or one head, or you'll get two head, or you'll get three head. And the sum total of probability is 1 by 1 or 1 by 8 by 8. So zero head is 1 by 8, one head is 3 by 8, two head is 3 by 8, and three head is 1 by 8, and the total probability would be 1. And these are exhaustive outcomes. And I told you for coin problem, whenever you get coin problem, remember the formula of probability, that is NCR by 2 to the power n. Already I have discussed these things. And if you have gone through all my videos on probability, I have discussed these concepts. Okay. Then question number three. Uh, for again, if two dice are rolled together, I have told you the shortcut way. If you two dice are rolled together, the sum would be either two or three or four or five or six or seven or eight or nine or 10 or 11 or 12. These are the possible cases of your sum. For two, this probability favorable case is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this total when two dice are rolled together, total you will get 36 outcome. So for dice, the total outcome is 6 to the power n. Okay, two dice is there. So they're asking you that the sum is neither 6 or neither 9. For 6 and for sum as 6, the favorable outcome is 5, and for sum as 9, the favorable outcome is 4. Okay. So the total favorable outcome is 9. So the remaining, what would be the remaining? Remaining would be 36 minus 9, it means 27. So they're asking what is the probability the sum is neither 6 or neither 9, means they're asking about the sum is either 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 7 or 8 or 10 or 11 or 12. If you do the sum favorable case you'll get is 27. Out divide by total is 36. So the answer for this is 0.75. Question number three, answer is option C, 0.75. Clear? Now, question number four, what is the probability that the four children selected at random would have different birthdays? Question number four, four children selected random would have different birthdays. So when you talk about four children, so they have different birthday. So the first children can have birthday on any day in the year. So first children, the birthday, it can be any day, means one way. Second children should not have birthday on the day. So like my birthday is on 5th February. So imagine if four children are there and I'm the first children. So my birthday can come any day in the year. So the number of ways it can come is one way. And but whichever day is my birthday, my friend birthday should not come on that day. So means for him, the favorable ways would be 364 by 365. Now 2 days in the year is blocked. So the third person birthday can come on any other day, but not on these 2 days. Now 3 days are blocked. Like this with the fourth person birthday can come on any other day, but not on this day. So this answer would be 1 into 364 into 363 into 362 whole divide by 365 to the power 4. So the answer for this is option A. Question number 4, the answer is option A. Question number 5, a box contains 5 white and 7 black ball. So this is box 1. Then this is box 2. A box contains 5 white and 7 black ball, while the second okay, so a box contains 5 white and 7 black ball. So this is the bag. A box contain A box contain five white and seven black ball. Two successive draws of three balls are made with replacement. So first, uh, you you like what three balls we withdraw. And first is the case of with replacement. And what is the probability that the first draw would you get three white ball? So from this, if I draw three balls, what is the probability? Total is 12. What is the probability I get three white ball? And then this is like with replacement. So you're putting them back. So what is the probability? Then you'll get you'll get three black ball. So this would be the probability. 5c3 by 12c3 into 7c3 by 12c3. This is with replacement. So after you draw three ball, again you put it back. So this is with replacement. 5c3 is 10, 10c3 is 7 into 6 into 5, 35. 12c3 is 12 into 11 into 10 by 6. So this is 2 are 220. 220 into 220. 0 and 0 you can cancel. And then this is 7 are 44. So this is 7 by 11 into 2 into 11 into 4. So this is 7 by 121 8 are 968. 7 by 968. Answer for this is option D, 7 by 968. Next one is without replacement. You are not putting it back. So first I draw three ball and all the three balls should be white. So the probability for this would be 5c3 without replacement. 5c3 by 12c3. Now you don't put those three ball back. Now you have how many? Nine balls left. Okay, so out of nine, you have seven black balls. So this would be 7c3 by 9c3. So this is 5 this is 2 0 and 0 you can cancel. 5 by 24 264. So this answer for this would be option D. So yeah, so for in first case it was with replacement and second case it was without replacement. Okay, so a bag contains five white and seven black ball, and you're drawing three balls. Okay, so first you draw three balls, and then you're putting it back, and then you want to know the probability that the first three balls are white in color, the next three balls are black in color, and without replacement means once you draw the three white balls, you are not putting them back. So if from 12 balls you're left with nine balls. This is question number 6. So we have three boxes. Okay, and then these three boxes have three kinds of ball. They have red color ball, white color ball, and blue color ball. And the total ball in box one is 18, box two is 18, box three is 9. Okay, what is the question? Question is like that if one ball is drawn at random from all these boxes, you draw one ball. What is the probability they are same color? So same color means or if I put one ball, so same color means here three colors are there. They can be all three can be red, all three can be white, or all three can be blue. If you put one ball from all the box. So if I talk about red, the probability from first box it is red is 5 by 18. Second box it would be 4 by 18, and third box it would be 3 by 9. Similarly for white, similarly for the white, the probability would be 4 by 18. Then white, no. For the first box, it would be 7 by 18. Then it would be 8 by 18. And then it would be 4 by 18. Sorry, 4 by 9. Similarly, for blue, it would be 6 by 18. Then 6 by 18 into 2 by 18 into 2 by 9. So just solve this. Okay. This is 1 by 3. This is 1 by 3. That's why I don't want it to touch the denominator. This is 2 by 9. Better don't touch the denominator. So 5 by 18 into 4 by 18 into 3 by 9 plus 7 by 18 into 8 by 18 into 4 by 9 plus 6 by 18 into 6 by 18 into 2 by 9. Okay, just 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60, then 7 8s are 56, 56 4s are 56 Forza is 20, 56 Forza, 6 Forza 24 to carry 20 to 24 plus 6 6 is 36, 36 to the 72 whole divide by denominator. Denominator is 8 into 8 into 9. 18 into 18 is 324 into 9. 9 4 is 36, 18 21 to carry 2916. 2916. So you will get the sum as 224, 224 plus 60. This is 284 plus 72, 336, 336 by 2916. If you make it simple, 16, then one will carry 16 to the 32. Then 168, 148, one carry 8. Then it is again, it would be 84 by 7 to 9. Then it will go by 3 table. 3 table, it would be 2 za 28 by 2 za 243. 28 by 243. So 18 into 18 is 18, 18 square. 18 square is 324, and this is 336, no? This is calculation, I think 420, 23 is 60, and then this is 8 4 32, 32 7 is 224, and then this is 12 6 72. So 60 plus 72 is 132. So 224 plus 132 is 356. 356, not 336. Okay, this is 356. So this is 284 plus 72, 6. 8 plus 7 is 15. 356, sorry. So the sum would be 356 by 18 into 18 into 9. You do it like this way. 9 table, will it go? Okay. Will it go by 3 table? 3 table, no. Then 2 table. 2 table, it is. Will it go by 2 or table or 4 table? Okay, 2 table, let it go. This is Vanza. This is Vanza. Then Vanza means 15. 15 means 7. 15 means 7, right? 1 carry 178. And this will be 9. Okay, again it will go by 2 table. 8 2s are 16. Then 89. This will go by 9. So this is 89 by 729. Answer is option A. So sixth one question, the answer is option A. Okay. Seventh one, a number is selected random from the first thousand natural number. What is the probability numbers who selected will be multiple of 7 or 11? So, so from the first thousand natural number, okay, from the first thousand natural number, you're selecting a number. So from the first thousand natural number, multiple of 7, from 1000, multiple of 7. What is the quotient you will get? The quotient you will get is 142. And multiple of 11, if you divide 1000 by 11, what is the quotient you will get? You will get 90. Okay, and then the number which is multiple of both 7 and 11 means LCM of 7 and 11. LCM of 7 and 11, that would be 77. So the number which is divisible by both 7 and 11 simultaneously, that is mean the number divisible by 77, this would be 12. Okay. So if you see this case, there are 12 numbers which are divisible by 711. The total 142 number which are divisible by 7. So divisible by 7 means you can say there are 130 number which are divisible only by 7. And then when you talk about 11, there are total 90 numbers are there which are divisible by 11. It means 78 numbers are those numbers which are only divisible by 11. So the total out of 1000, what is the probability that the number is divisible by 7 or 11? It would be 130 plus 12 plus 78 divided by 1000. So this is the probability. So 130 uh, plus 12 uh, is 142 plus 78. You'll get 220 by 1000. So the probability is 0.22. Fine. Question number 8. A bag contain 8 red and 5 white ball. A bag contain 8 red and 5 8 bag contain 8 red and 5 white ball. Okay. Two successive draws of 3 balls are made without replacement. Okay. So you're drawing three balls successively. What is the first draw? Have three white ball, 5C3 by 13C3 without replacement, and the second three red ball without replacement, three red ball. So now total 10 balls are left, and you want three red ball. So it would be 8C3. 5C3 is 10. Then 13C3 would be 13 into 12 into 11 by 6. 8C3 is 8 into 7 into 6, means 8 into 7 into 6. 6 will get cancel. It is 56. 10C3 is 10 into 9 into 8 by 6. So if you solve this, 10 and 10 cancel. This is 6 2 za This is 3 za. This is 3 za. This is 7 za. So you left with in numerator you have 7. Then you have 13 into 11 into 3. 7 by 13 into 11 is 143 into 3. 143 into 3, it is 429. 7 by 429. Option C. Question number 8 done. Now see question number 9. There are two boxes. Box 1, then you have box 2. Box 1, 5 white and 7 blue ball. 5 white and 6 blue ball. 3 white and 7 blue ball. One of the boxes is selected random. So which box you select, the probability would be 1 by 2. What is the probability that the ball is blue in color? So, okay, so what is the probability that you will get a blue color ball from box 1? So that would be a blue color ball from box, that would be 6 by 11. And what is the probability that if you select box 2, you will get a blue color ball, that would be 7 by 10. So what is the probability you will select box 1 or box 2, that is 1 by 2. So one of the box is selected random. Okay. And what is the probability that it is blue color? Okay. So means if you select box 1, probability that it is blue color. Okay. Plus we don't know if you select box 2, what is the probability that you will get a blue color? Okay, so box 1 is 1 by 2. You will get the ball, blue color ball is 6 by 11. And box 2 probability is 1 by 2. You will get a blue color ball is 7 by 10. So you can take 1 by 2 common. 6 by 11 plus 7 by 10. You can solve this. LCM would be 110. 60 plus 77. It would be 60 plus 70. It would be 137 by 220. Answer for this is option C, 137 by 220. And question number 10, a problem in probability was given to 3 CA student whose chance of solving is 1 by 3, 1 by 5 and 1 by 2. What is the probability that the problem will be solved? So it doesn't matter who is solving the problem, first one or second one or third one or any two of them or any all three of them. So what is important to us is the probability that the problem to be solved. So that can be 1 minus the probability that none of them would solve the problem. So 1 minus 1 by 3, all are independent event. 1 minus 1 by 5 into 1 minus 1 by 2. This is 1 minus 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 into 1 by 2. 2 cancel. this is 1 minus 4 by 15 or 11 by 15. So the answer for this is 11 by 15. Option D. Okay, so three CA students are there. You are giving them the problem. So it doesn't matter who is giving you the answer, either the first one or second one or third one. What matters is that you should get the answer. So it can be like the case, the probability that only one of them solve. Okay, plus the probability that only two of them solve, plus the probability that all three of them solve. Okay, so any one of them solve means A solve, B and C does not solve. A and C solve, B does not solve. A does not solve, B and C solve. Okay, then it can be one solve means A solve, B and C does not solve. Okay, then so only one of them solve means A solve, B and C does not solve means A and C does not solve, B solve, or A and B does not solve, C solve, or it can be A, B solve, C does not solve, or it can be B does not solve, A and C solve, or it can be A does not solve, B and C solve, or it can be all three of them solve. Instead of doing like this, it can you can do one minus none of them solve. It will give you all the possible case that the problem will be solved. Question number 11. So there are three-person aged 60, 65, and 70 year. The survival probability for these person for another 5 year is zero point 0.7, zero point 0.4, and zero point 0.2. So the survival probability is zero point 0.7, zero point 0.4, and zero point 0.2. Okay, so what is the probability that at least two of them survive another 5 years? So at least they're asking. So at least means maybe A, B survive, C does not survive, or A and C survive, B does not survive, A does not survive, B and C survive, or all three of them survive. Okay, that is giving you the uh, at least two of them will survive next 5 years. So this is zero point 0.7 into zero point 0.4 into C not survive means zero point 0.8. Then A is zero point 0.7, B is 0.6, B dash, C is zero point 0.2, A is zero point 0.7, B is zero point 0.4 into zero point 0.2. So this is 7 4s are 28, 28 8s are 56, 5 carry. 16 plus 5, 21. So 216 plus 42 twos are 84. Then, yeah, then it is 28 twos are 56. 28 twos are 56. So the answer would be 0.216, 0.216, 0.084. This is 8, 9, 10, point 3, 0.056, 0.356. 356 or 456. So this is 10, then 8, 9, 10, then this is 3. Somewhere if there's a calculation mistake, check this. So zero point 0.7 into zero point 0.4 into zero point 0.8. Check with calculator. 0.7 into 0.7 into 0.4 into 0.8, 0.224. So this is calculation mistake. This is 0.224. 0.7 is 28. 28 8s us. 8 8s are 64. Now I wrote 56. 8 8s are 64. So this is 0.224. So point 224 and then 0.084. So 0.308, then 0.056, 0.364. Again, this is not the answer. So then if you check 0.7 into 0.6 into zero point 0.2, 0.7 into zero point 0.6 into zero point 0.2, you will get is 0.084. Then zero point 0.7 into zero point 0.4 into zero point 0.2. If you add all three of them, you get 0.364. 0.364 answer. So the survival probability of 3% is 0.7, 0.4, 0.2. What is probability that at least two of them would survive? So at least two means any two of them survive or all of them survive. So total four case should be there now. Yeah. So yeah, I'm missing one case. So A and B, A and B survive. C does not survive. Then A and C survive. B does not survive. Then A does not survive. A does not survive. A does not survive. A does not survive means zero point 0.3 into zero point 0.4 into zero point 0.2. This is missing. So zero point 0.3 into zero point 0.4. 4 3s are 12. 12 2s are 12 2s are 24. 24 means 24 means 0.024. That is missing. So 0.388. 0.388 is your answer. Option D is your answer. Okay, so means one case I was missing, this case. So A survive is zero point 0.7. So A does not survive is 0.3. B survive is zero point 0.4. B does not survive would be 0.6. C survive is zero point 0.2. C does not survive is zero point 0.8. Okay. Now question number 12. Tom speak truth in 30% cases and Dick speak truth in 25% cases. What is the probability that they contradict? Means Tom is speaking truth, but Dick is speaking false. So this is 0.75. Or Tom is telling lie and Dick is telling truth. So 75, 3s are 15, 225. So you'll get 0.225 and 25 sevens are 35.175. So 0.225 plus 0.175, you'll get the answer as zero point 0.4. Question number 12 answer is option B, zero point 0.4. Question number 13. There are two urn. The urn one contain three red and five white ball. Urn one, and then you have urn two. On one contain three, on one contain three red and 5 white ball. Urn 1 contain 3 red and 5 white ball. The second urn contain 4 red and 6 white ball. The total here 8 balls are there. Total here 10 balls are there. A ball is taken random from first urn. Suppose the ball taken is red and it is put in urn 2. Okay, it is put in urn 2. Now, if you put a red color ball in urn 2, you will have 5 red and 6 white. Total, you will have 11 ball. Or maybe the other case, the ball you have taken is white and put into urn 2, you will have now 4 red and 7 white. I don't know which ball is this. Total would be 11. Okay. So, uh, now another ball is drawn from urn 2. What is the probability that the ball is red in color? So total two cases would be there. So the if you take red color ball from urn 1, probability of that is 3 by 8. Now drawing a red color ball from urn 2, the probability would be 5 by 11. And the second case would be if you took a white color ball, that probability is 5 by 8. And then you pick a red color ball from urn 2, that probability would be 4 by 11. Okay. So your this would be your total case. So 15 by 88 and this is 20 by 88. Total it would be 35 by 88 and the favorable case would be this. So what is your probability? Your probability would be 15 by 35 or 3 by 7. 88 na? 3 by 7 na? Yeah, sorry. The total 35 by 88. So here 1 minute. So a ball is taken from the urn 1 and transferred to the urn 2. So here if I ask you the case, mm, there are two urn. The first you take from bag urn 1 and you put into urn 2. Okay, so yeah, these are the two cases are possible. No, yeah. So the probability of this would be 35 by 88. So these are the two cases possible. Okay, what is the probability that you draw a red color ball from on to? The answer would be 35 by 88. 1 minute, let me just confirm this. Question number 13 answer. 13th one answer is option B. 35 by 88. Correct, right? So there are two urns are there. So from first urn you have three red and five white ball. The second urn contain four red and six white ball. A ball is taken random from the first urn transferred to the urn two. Now another ball is taken from them. So what is the probability it is red in color? So two cases are there that you draw a red color ball from urn one and put into urn two. The second case would be you draw a white color ball from urn one and put into urn two. Okay, so would the there so what is the probability you will get a red color ball from on 2? That would be 35 by 88. Question number 14. Question number 8, 14. Group of student 30% failed in physics, 30% failed in physics, and then 40% failed in chemistry, 40% failed in chemistry, and suppose X% fail in both the subject, both physics and chemistry, and 50% failed in at least one of the two subjects. So 50%, so 30 minus X, this is 40 minus X, and the sum of this is 50. So this is 30 plus 40 minus X, it is 50. So X is equal to 20. So 20% student failed in both the subject. 10% failed only in physics, and 20% failed only in chemistry. And then 50% failed in any of the subject. So means 50% people failed in any of the subject. Then the number student who passed in both the subjects is 50%. The number student passed in both the subject, passed in both subject, that is equal to 50%. Passed in at least, failed in at least one of the subject is 50%. So passed in both the subject is 50%. Okay, what is the question? Question is that what is the probability that he's passed in physics? So passed in physics means passed in physics, passed in physics, passed in physics means failed in physics is this. This is failed in physics. So passed in physics is what? 20 plus 50, 70. Failed in passed in physics. If you known that he's failed in chemistry. Failed in chemistry means what? Failed in chemistry is what? Failed in chemistry. How many people failed in chemistry? 40%. And passed in physics means what? 70%. And how many are the student who passed in physics and failed in chemistry? Passed in physics and failed in chemistry. How many students are those? So this, what is the intersection? These people. These people are those people who are who are failed in chemistry and they are passed in physics. Those people, that is intersection. That is 20%. So they're asking us the probability that he is failed in chemistry but passed in physics. So this would be 20% divided by failed in chemistry is 40%. Answer would be 1 by 2. I hope you know dependent probability A by B, that is A intersection B by B. So the answer for this, the student who have passed in physics and failed in chemistry is 20%, and the total probability that the student failed in chemistry is 40%. So the probability of this would be 1 by 2. Answer is option A, 1 by 2. Question number 15. A packet of 10 electronic component. Question number 15. A packet of 10 electronic component known to include two defective and 8 are normal. Okay. So if a sample of four component is chosen, if you choose a sample of four component, what is probability that the sample does not contain more than one defective? Means zero defective. Zero defective means all are normal, means 8C4 by 10C4, or one defective. One defective means 2C1 into 8C3 by 10C4. So just solve this. What is 8C4? 8, what is 10C4? 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 by 24, 4 factorial. It is 210. And then 8C4 is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 by 24. This is 70. 70 by 210 plus 2 into 8C3, 8 into 756 by 210. So this is 112. 56 twos 56 twos is 112. This is 182 by 210, means 91 by 105. Sample does not contain more than one defective. 8C4, 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 by 24. This is 4 2 70. Zero defective. This is 2C1 out of 2, 1 defective and 3 normal. 8C3, 8 into 7 into 6 by 6, 56. 56 twos 112. 112 plus 70. 182 by 210. So 15 sevens so you get here 91 by 105. If you divide it by 7, 13 sevens are 91. And then if you divide it by 7, you'll get what 15 sevens is 105. So the answer for this would be 13 by 15. 13 by 15 is your answer. Option C is your answer. Question number 15, answer is option C. Option C. Other way would have done. Here we got 70 by 210 plus 2 into 56 by 210. We could have made it simplify here. This is 1 by 3. And this is what? 7 8 7 30 This is 15 So 1 by 3 plus 8 by 15. If you take LCM as 15, so you would have get 13 by 15, which is our option C. So far we have done 15 questions. So if I talk about question number One, we had the answer 2 by 7. Question number two, uh, what is the probability of getting, this is 1 by 2. Question number three, the answer is 27 by 36.75. Question number four, answer is option A. Question number five, answer is option D. Question number six, answer is option A. Question number seven, question number seven is 0.22. Question number eight, question number eight, question number eight, we need to check what was the answer. Eight red, two, three balls are made. This was eight 5C3 by 13C3 into 8C3 by 10C3. That was the answer. I think is option A if I'm not wrong. Question number nine. Question number nine uh, was 83 by 250. Okay, and then question number 10. Question number 9, 10. I don't remember the answer and all. So question number, hmm, when I talk about question number, this was 13. Then question number, yeah, this is question 11 by 15. Question number, this was 137 by 220. Question number 9, answer is option C. Question number 10, answer is option D. Question number 11, I think answer is option D or what? Question number 11, the answer is option D, 0.388. Question number 12 is zero point 0.4. Question number 13 is option B. Question number 14 is option A. Question number 15 is option C. Question number 16 is like eight identical balls are placed at random in three bags. What is probability that the first bag will contain three balls? So here in solve example, you have this question. This is very important question for your exam purpose. So basically, if you go to this question here, what they're telling you have three boxes and you have eight balls. So one ball you can put in any of the three box. So in how many ways can I put one ball in a box? So that is three ways. So like this second ball, in how many ways I can put three ways? Third ball, in how many ways can I put three ways? Fourth ball, how many ways can I put three ways? So like this eight balls, in how many ways I can put? I can put in 3 into 8, 3 to the power 8 ways. So the first ball can be distributed in any of the box. It will done in three ways. Similarly, the second ball can be distributed in three ways. So similarly, the first two balls you can put in 3 to the power 2 ways. Like that way. So eight balls you can put in 3 to the power 8 ways. Okay, this is the total outcome. So the total outcome would be 3 to the power 8 ways. Now, what they're telling that the first box contain three balls. What is the probability? So the favorable outcome is like to find the number of ways that your first box will contain three balls. So first box contain three balls means out of eight balls any three ball. So that you can select in 8C3 ways. That you can select in 8C3 ways. Okay, any three ball you can select in 8C3 ways. Then you left with five balls. Now five balls can come in remaining two boxes in how many ways? It can come in 2 to the power 5 ways. So your probability, total probability would be 8C3 into 2 to the power 5 divided by 3 to the power 8. So if you solve this, you will get 1792 by 6561. That is your answer. Yeah. So here the answer for this is 1792 by, so you answer if you solve this question number 16. So question number 16 is like you have eight balls. Those three eight balls you can, out of these three eight balls you can put any of the three balls from these eight balls in the first box. in 8C3 way. Now remaining 5 balls, you have 2 boxes to be put, and you can put in 2 to the power 5 way, divide by 3 to the power 8. So the total favorable outcome would be 3 to the power 8. So 8C3 is 8 into 7 into 6 by 6 means 56, and 2 to the power 5 is 32. 2 to the power 5 is 32, divide by 3 to the power 8. 3 to the power 8 is 6561. So if you solve this, 56 into 32, 56 into 32, 56 into 32, and this if you divide by 6561, you'll get 0.2731. So answer is option A, 0.2731. Now question number 17, X and Y stand in a line with 6 other people. So this is 0.2761. So there are total 8 people are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. X and Y stand in a line with 6 other people. What is the probability that there are 3% between them? So 3% between them. So if here X can come 1, so 3% can come between them. So this is the one way that means X and Y, if they sit in 1 comma 5, if they sit in this position, then you have the remaining 6 people. 6 people can sit or stand in 6 factorial way, and X and Y can interchange their place in 2 factorial way. So the arrangement, it can be 1 comma 5, or it can be 2 comma 6. Again it would be 6 factorial into 2 factorial, or it can be 3 comma 7. Again it would be 6 factorial into 2 factorial, or it can be 4 comma 8. Again it would be 6 factorial into 2 factorial. So the total favorable outcome would be 4 into 2 factorial into 6 factorial, and the total outcome, 8 people will sit in 8 factorial way. So your probability would be 4 into 2 into 6 factorial divide by 8 factorial. So this is 8 into 6 factorial by 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. 6 factorial, 6 factorial get cancelled, 8 and 8 get cancelled. So this probability of this would be 1 by 7. Okay, 17 answers option C. Question number 18. Uh, Question number 18, it is like this. Probability of A is 1 by 2. Probability of A is 1 by 2. B is 1 by 3. B is 1 by 3. Then A intersection B is 1 by 4. So 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. And 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 is 12. 12, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 is 12. And this is 1 by 12, right? So this is 4 minus 3. This is 1 by 12. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. So it's 1 by 12. So the total would be 1 by 2 plus 1 by 12. This total would be 12 LCM, 7 by 12. So what left is 5 by 12. Okay, the total is 1. So here what they're asking, yeah, so the probability of, they're asking, so probability of A dash given that B dash. So means probability of intersection of A dash and B dash divided by probability of B dash. So A intersection A dash B dash, this is 5 by 12, and not B. B dash means not B. Uh, B probability is 1 by 3. So not B means 2 by 3. So 5 by 12 into 3 by 2 if you do. This is Forza. So this is 5 by 8. And 18th answer is option C. 18th answer is option C. 18th answer is option C. Now, 19th one, four digit 1, 2, 4, and 6 are selected to form four digit number. So divisibility rule of 4, you know that last two digits should be divisible by 4. So 1, 2, 4, and 6. Okay, so last two digits should be divisible by 4. So number should end with 12 or 16. Okay, then they're divisible by 4, 12 or 16. Then 24, not 21, 26, not 41, not 42, not 46, not. Then 62, not 64. So here, so the favorable would be 8. Okay, and the total four numbers you can arrange in 24 ways. So the probability would be 8 by 24 or 1 by 3. 19th one, 19th one answer would be 19th one answer would be option D. Okay, everyone. So, like, four digits are there, 1, 2, 4, and 6. And from this, you want to make a four-digit number. So, if you want the number to be divisible by 4, means the last two digits should be divisible by 4. So, how many cases can I make from 1, comma 2, comma 4, comma 6, which should be divisible by 4? It can be 12. If your last two digit end with 12, then it is divisible by 4. If it end with 16, then it divisible by 4. If it end with 24, then divisible by 4. If it end with 64, then divisible by 4. So if it ending with 12, then you have the two digit left, 4 comma 6. They can come in, they can come in 4612 or 6412. So you can make two numbers. So that's why I have written with ending with 1 2, you can make two number. It can be 4612 or 6412. If it end with 1 6, then you can make two number, 2416 or 4216. So like this you can make eight numbers which are divisible by 4, and total you can make 24 number. Okay, now talking about question number 20. Talking about question number 20, you want to calculate the standard deviation. So x and probability of x is given to you. So this is 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6. So, and the probability is given to you 0.15, 0.25, 0.20, 0.30, 0.30, and then zero point 0.1. So we can find the expected value by multiplying this. 0.15, then zero point 0.5, then 0.8, 0.15, then zero point 0.6. The sum total of this will give you the expected value. So 0.15 plus 0.5, 0.65, 0.65 plus point 0.8 and 0.65. You'll get 1.45. 1.45 plus 0.15 is 1.6. 1.6 and then zero point 0.6. You'll get is 2.2. So your expected value is 2.2. And then you can get x square. X square is 1, 4, 16, 25, and 36. multiply with probability p into x square. So 0.15, then 0.25 into 4 is 1, and then zero point 0.2 into 16 is 3.2, then 25 into zero point 0.3 is 0.75, and then 36 into zero point 0.1 is 3.6. So this is 1.15, and then 3.2, this is 4.35, then 0.75, this is 5.1, and then 3.6. You'll get 8.7. So you'll get 8.7. So the sum of px square minus mean ka square, that will give you the variance. So the variance you'll get is 8.7 minus 2.2 ka square. This will give you the variance. 8.7 minus 22 ka square is 484. You get 4.84. है ना? 484 by 100 means 4.84. So 8.7 minus 8.7 minus 4.84. 3.84 is your variance. Square root would be SQRT of this value. 3.86 ka square root, if you find, 1.964 is the, so variance is 3.86, and then a standard deviation would be 1.964. 1.964 is your standard deviation. 1.964 is, none of the option is 1.964. So we need to check where we have done calculation mistake. Yeah, so finding the mean value, 0.15, then 0.5, then 0.8, then 0.15, 0.6. This is 3.55. So 0.15, 0.15, and then zero point 0.5, then 0.8, then 0.15, and then 0.6. If I do the sum is 2.2. Sum is 2, 2.2, then 2, then uh 0.15, then 0.5, then 0.8, 0.15, 0.6, 0.15, 0.5, then 0.8, then 1.5, 1.5. It is 1.5. It is 1, 5 into 0.3 is 1.5, not 0.15. It is 1.5. So 1.5, the sum you will get is 3.55. The sum you will get is 3.55. Okay, if I do 3.55 here, 3.55 ka square, if I do 3.55 ka square, I get 12.6025. No, then the x value I get is 1, 4, 16, 25, 36. So here 0.15 into 1 is 0.15, 0.25 into 4. So 0.15 into 1 is 0.15, then 0.25 into 4, 0.25 into 4 is 1, then zero point 0.2 into 16, zero point 0.2 into 16 is 3.2, then 0.3 into 0.3 into 25 is 7.5. Here I wrote 0.75. This is 7.5, and 36 into zero point 0.1 is 3.6. Is 3.6. If I do the sum of this, I'm getting is 15.45. So this is 15.45. So this is 15.45 minus 3.55 square. This will give me the variance. So 15.45 minus 3.45, 3.55 square is 12.6025. The variance is 2.8475, and the square root of this will give you the standard deviation. You will get is 1.687. So the variance you will get is 2.8475, and the standard deviation you are getting is 1.69. The answer for this is 1.69. Answer is option C. Question number 21. When you talk about question number 21, a packet of 10 defective, a packet of electronic components. Question number 21, a packet of 10 electronic component known to have include 3 defective. Out of 10, 3 are defective, and then you have 7 normal component. Okay. Here 4 component are selected random, the expected number of the number of defective. So defective can be either 0. If defective is 0, then your probability would be defective 0 means all 7 normal. So from 7 you pick any 4 normal, divide by 10 C4. Then 1 defective. 1 defective means 3C1 into 7C3 divide by 10C4. Then 2 defective. 2 defective means 3C2 into 7C2 by 10C4. The total 3 defectives are there, or 3 defectives. It can be 3C3, 3C3 into 7C1 by 10C4. So 0 defective, it's 7C4 by 10C4. 0 defective, 7C4 by 10C4. 7C4 means 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 divide by 24. That means 35. 7C4 is 7C3. 7C4 is 7C3. 35 by 10C4 is 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 by 24 means 210. 35 by 210. 3C1 is 3. 7C3 is 35 by 210. 35 into 3 is 105 by 210. Then 3C2 is 3. 7C2 is 28 by 210. 28 threesa, 28 threesa is 84 by 210. And 3C3 is 1. 7 is 7 by 210. Okay. So this, if you multiply, you'll get 0. Expected number, you have to multiply the probability with the x value. So this is 105 by 210. This is 84 twos. 84 twos is 8. 168 by 210. And this is 7 threes are 21 by 210. So the expected number, if you want to find the expected number, For finding the expected number, do the sum of this. Do the sum of this. So 105 plus 168 plus 21, you'll get 294 by 210. So your expected number is total is 294. Denominator is 210 only. So 294 by 210 will get 1.4. So what is expected number of defective? Question number 21. 21. Question number 21 is option A. 21 is 1.2. So yeah, yeah, this is 0. This is 7C4. 35 by 210. Then this is 3 into 35, 105 by 210. Then 2 is 3, 3C2 is 3, 7C2, 7 into 6, 7 into 6. What is 7C2? 7 into 6 by 2 means 21. This is 21, not this is 63. 63 by 210. So 63 by 210, this is 0. This is 105 by 210. 63 2 is 126 by 210. And this is 21 by 210. Sum if you do. So 105 and 126 uh, is 231 plus 221. 242 by 210. 242 by 210. So 242 by 210 if you do, 242 by 210 if you do, you'll get, so 7C2, 7, what is 7C2? 7 into 6 by 2. 7 threes are, what is 7C2? 7C2 is 21 na? 63, 63 twos are 126. 3C3 is 1, 7 is 7 by 210, 21 by 210. If I calculate this, so what is 7C2? 7C2, 7C2 is 21. 7C4, 7C4 is 35. Somewhere is a calculation mistake, guys. So 10 defectives are there. The expected number of defective answer is 1.2. Okay, let me check. Hmm, 0. So somewhere calculation mistake is happening. That's why you're not getting the answer. Three defectives are there. 10 component, three defective. So zero defective means from 7 you are picking 4 component, right? You are picking 4, 7C4 means 35, 7 into 6 into 5, 35 by 10, 10, 10C4 is 210, right? 10C4, 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 by 424 is 3 is 210. 35 by 210, this is 3C1 by 7C3, 3 into 35, 105 by 210, 105 by 210. Then 3C2 is also 3, 7C2, 7 into 6 by 2, 21, 21 3 is 63 by 210. This is 126. Then 3C3 is 1, and uh, then 7C1 is 7, 7 by 210. So where we are getting wrong, this is 105 plus 126, 11, 231 plus 21 plus 21. So you'll get is 252 by 210. Sorry, not 242. It is 252 by 210. So 252 by 210, if you do 252 by 210, you'll get 1.2. So 252 by 210, if you'll do, you'll get the answer as 1.2, which is your answer. So somewhere calculation mistake was happening. Okay. And then the last question, 23 and 24 already I have done in my previous video. Question number 22 is like that the probability that at least one error in an account statement prepared by 3%, so at least one error. So for A, at least one error, A, B, and C, at least one error, probability is 0.32. So no error probability would be zero point 0.8. For B, at least one error probability is zero point 0.3. So no error probability would be zero point 0.7. For C, at least one error probability is zero point 0.1. No error probability would be zero point 0.9. And then A, B, and C prepared 60, 70, and 90 statement. 60, 70, and 90 statement. Okay, so the correct statement prepared by A, B, and C, if you make 60 into zero point 0.8, it would be 48. 8 6 are 48. And then zero point 0.7 into 70, it would be 49. And zero point 0.9 into 90, it would be 81. If you do this, 10, 18, 1 carry, then 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 178. So the correct statement made by, so then the expected number correct statement would be 178. 22 answer is option C. 22 answer is option C, which is correct, 178. So I hope you have understood what all we have done in this class. So it's time to wind up the session. Question number 23 and 24 I have done in my previous video. You can go through my video of probability of random variable, where you will get to know how to do it. Otherwise, giving you an explanation, a bag contains 6 white and 4 red ball. If you draw two ball, so both the two ball can be white. So the probability it would be 6C2 by 10C2, or both can be red, it would be 4C2 by 10C2, or one white, one red, it would be 6 into 4 by 10C2. And when you are getting two white ball, you are getting payoff of 20 rupees, 10 plus 10. And when you're getting red ball, you are getting a payoff of 40 rupees. And when you're getting one white, one red, you are getting a payoff of 30 rupees. Just multiply the probability with 20, 30, and 40, and that will give you the expected amount. Question number 24, the sum total of probability that would be equal to 1. So k plus 2k is 3k, 3k plus 3k is 6k, 6k plus 3k, 9k plus k, 10k. 10k would be equal to 1 because sum total of probability is 1. So k would be 1 by 10. You will get the probability. Probability for 1 is 1 by 10, 2 is 2 by 10, 4 is 3 by 10, 6 is 3 by 10, 8 is 1 by 10. Just multiply the probability with x value, you will get the expected number. Then do the square of x value and multiply again with the probability. That sum, what you will get minus the square of the expected value, will give you the variance. So, like already I've done in the last video, just go through that, you'll understand. Thank you, everyone.